Hello everyone, I'm Ashley. I'm glad to show you this video presentation with my group mates. They are Dylan, August, Yvonne, and Palin. In this presentation, we will talk about the smart home technologies. We shall be speaking for 15 minutes. Before we start our presentation, let me show you the outline. There are 5 main parts in this presentation. First is about the introduction, about some background. The second part is talk about the combination of the hotel rooms and smart technology. The third part is about the design of the smart home. After that is the technology and development trend of the smart home. Finally is conclusion. Okay, I'm going to start with introduction. The hotel is the comprehensive place for living, dining, entertainment, leisure meeting, and various activities. In the face of the trend of increasingly strong competition to provide guests with the comfortable environment, thoughtful human service to satisfy customers' needs. At the same time, the hotel's internal operation and management to achieve efficient, fast, and low cost is the goal of the hotel design and construction. Hotel intelligence system is the key technology to achieve this goal and provide unprecedented application opportunities for hotel industry. As customers' experience and customers' habit change, it becomes important to promote the creation of more meaningful and personalized service and experience. Smart hotel is the use of computer program to improve management efficiency and improve customers' satisfaction. Intelligent equipment bring new service experience to hotel customers. There are 2 aspects given. The first is the guest room. The guest room elements and function can be automatic adjustment according to guests' favor, like music and lights. When the guest in the room, the intelligent detector according to outdoor temperature, the air conditioner and purifier automatically set to work in the best state. Secondly, it is indispensable for hotel to provide guests a quality of sleep. The smart bed can be adjusted according to individual needs, and the sleep quality of guests can be measured at the same time. Intelligent self-cleaning materials and textiles of furniture will improve sanitary conditions.
Hello everyone, I'm August. As Ashley mentioned before, smart home technology has already entered the hotel industry, which has also made many hotels more advanced. In my part, I will introduce the help of smart home technology to hotel accommodation. According to Graziel and Jamel 2009 mentioned that technology is no longer just functional, but has developed into the integral to supporting the creation of contemporary experience. Smart home technology allows guests to into the hotel door can feel happiness and convenience by technology. The accommodation has always been a significant source of hotel resource, so hotel rooms are particularly important. The smart home technology can help guests saving time, can make hotel accommodation more safety. At the same time, it can avoid unnecessary waste for customer and save a lot of costs for hotel. I experienced a smart home hotel in Beijing. In there, guests can avoid the tedious process of registration at the hotel reception desk, and they can complete this process in advance. through the application on their way to the hotel. Guests can choose room type through 3D perspective on the application and then complete the payment through online payment. When guests arrive at the hotel, they can check in through facial recognition. In this way, not only save a lot of valuable time for customer, but also save some costs for hotel. After that, guests do not key or room card, just scan the QR code in the electronic log or input the password through application to enter their room. This makes hotel rooms safer for customer. In addition, many hotels use voice control or an application control the facility on their rooms, such as lighting, air condition, television, speaker, or something. This makes guests feel more comfortable and convenient in their room. Use smart home technology. It's use a lot of electricity. In fact, it can help hotels save a lot of unnecessary waste. Because sometimes, even if the guest is not in their room, but some equipment switch always turn on, and this unnecessary waste can save by smart home technology. In general, smart home technology make hotel more advanced and enable guests to have a comfortable experience. Okay, my part is finished. Welcome, Dylan.
The hospitality industry is getting enhanced day by day as the expectations of customers are changing. In order to meet the changing demands of customers, the hospitality organizations are seeking for the well-qualified employee which have these respective skills, which could help the organization in managing customers and increase the profitability. Given to the changing scenario of the hospitality industry because of the globalization and the technical advertisement, the hospitality organization will be seeking the candidate equipped with these skills, such as cultural awareness, multilingual, and multitasking, and organization skill or some serving skills. It's believed that these skills are very important for university graduates in order to join the hospitality organization. In the term of cultural skill, it can be said that because of the increase in globalization, many visitors, these people came from different countries and have the different cultural background. Therefore, in this content, as an employee who work in an international hospitality organization, this person must know the different knowledge and understand the different cultural background in order to serve these visitors better. Another important skill has been identified to be the multilingualistic. In order to work in an international hospitality organization, a candidate should be well versed in communication with their visitors in multiple languages, thus enhancing the service satisfaction of customers. Lastly, the candidate should develop their multitask skill, as the industry is getting hectic day by day. Hence, one needs to manage the multitask at the same time to enhance the operational effectiveness. Therefore, these skills are very important for the student who working in the international hospitality organization. The technology that has been identified to be as trade in the hospitality industry is the smart home technology, or can be called as Internet of Things. It's believed that this technology has to start to display many of jobs in the hospitality industry because of automation of operational aspects. Thus, in order to work with this technology at the hospitality organization, a candidate will be required to focus on their development to soft skills such as leadership skills, and the managerial skills and communication skills, as these skills will not be replaced by automation. Thus, opening jobs prospects for graduates in many industries, as these are universal skills as well.
Hey guys, I'm Yvonne. Thanks for my partner's interpretation of their pets. Now I'm going to talk about some information about my part. Design and smart home. Generally, when we design a smart home, there are 4 conditions need to be satisfied: functional, safe, environment protection, and low cost. First of all, let's talk about functional. Since the aim of Smart Home 2 is satisfying every user's needs and changing habits, there is a theory which is David Doff's first 6 design principles. Please have a look. You guys might be a little bit confused because it's not a very easy theory. Allow me explain this theory in an easier way. Basically, it means the tool of smart home can execute some basic instructions like control the light, TV, or temperature in this house. The thing is, maybe we are not living alone, so the tool should be able to handle various instructions at the same time. It can be repaired when it has some errors, so it must have the function of self-repair. Finally, the home is not a location, so when the users are outside of the home, the system can still upload it data. Next one, safe. Smart home is fashion and complicated, but that doesn't mean it can ignore the importance of home security. It should support for safety, natural disasters or accidents, set some protections like anti-earthquake design and fire prevention. Move on, environmental protection, which means satisfy sustainability and ecological requirements. According to Saito and Manga, sometimes convenience and ecological constraints may be conflict. Materials like wood, plastic, steel, and concrete are easy to be used, but the use of these sources is not good for our environment. The utility material can meet ecological constraints, but at the same time, the cost might be higher. Finally, low cost. We have already discussed ecological considerations, and new technologies maybe increase the construction's cost. But users maybe prefer simple and low-cost materials. So far from now, at some point, we may have to compromise. But there are 2 other ways to reduce the cost of a smart home. Control construction progress and easy maintenance and manage. Smart home need to meet users' needs and changing habits. As postgraduate majoring in art design, we have a lot of space to play in this field. But the most important thing is to take ecological environment into consideration while providing users in a quick and convenient life. For example, I will do some research on some new low-cost materials in order to let everyone can live in a smart house to use the tool of smart house, not just rich people. Okay, that's all my part. Now let's welcome my partner Palin to introduce his part.
Thanks all of my partners. Now, before my part of presentation, please allow me to show you some smart home technology that I used in my home. Okay, first of all, I will introduce this lamp that I've been daily used in my room. So, why I called it the smart home technology? That's because I can control it with my phone. Now let's turn on the light. The phone can not only control the brighter or darker, but also can control the color temperature. This lamp is a color temperature adjusting lamp. That's one of the smart lamp. Now we move on. Now let's move to the kitchen. This rice cooker, I can also use my phone to control it. I just press one button, so it can automatically cook. And this one, the water boiler, it can be keep warm for up to 12 hours automatically. Smart home is reflected in the influence of the Internet of Things. Smart home connects various devices such as audio and video equipment, lighting system, curtain control, air conditioning control, security system, digital cinema system, network appliance, etc. Through the Internet of Things, the technology provides home appliance control, the lighting control, the curtain control, the telephone remote control, indoor and outdoor remote control, anti-thief alarm, environmental monitoring, and programmable timing control. Smart home is a living environment. It is a residential environment with a smart home system installed on the platform of the house. The process of implementing the smart home system is called the smart home integration. Taking residential as a platform using integrated lighting technology, network communication technology, smart home system design security protection technology, automatic control technology, audio and video technology, to integrate home life related facilities and build efficient residential facilities and family schedule management. The system enhances home safety, convenience, comfort, and artistry, and achieve an environmentally friendly and energy-saving living environment. In conclusion, the development of smart home has a subtle influence on our lives. It can change people's lifestyle and create a more convenient, safer, and energy-saving spaces. Taking the improvement of people's life quality as a core, let the home also take the sustainable development of energy-saving routes. That's all of our parts. Thank you for your patience, and thanks for listening. Have a nice day.